Okay, here we are in, I think the village is called Campden, something like that. And we just had dinner at the Chef's Dozen. And I gotta say, it's probably the meal we've been waiting for in the UK. It was stunning from beginning to end, unbelievably beautiful, inventive, things I haven't had before. I've tried on this trip to try things I haven't tried before. And, just one course. I had pig's head and what was it? Blood pudding lasagna, and it was incredible. The dessert was the best dessert I've had in years. It was incredible. So, to me, if you are coming towards the Cotswolds area, I would certainly stay in this village for one night just to eat at this restaurant, and I would give this probably. Look, I'm going to give it between a 9 and a 10 out of 10. It was just really stunning. Nice people, good service. I even had a red wine from Lebanon, and it was beautiful. I'll put up the menu photos and also the wine list photos as well. So do yourself a favour. It's a beautiful village, and well worth coming here for dinner.